This is a simple, short lesson to teach you how to load and play a saved pattern from the accessories panel. At the time of creating this video, there is one pattern available for all access. Other patterns coming soon. Before we begin, please quickly like this video and subscribe to the channel. Nice, bruh! If you haven't noticed, the Finga.Studio controls are supposed to be spread out across a kind of guitar body. Notice how there's a section called Pickup Selector, one called Tone Controls, etc. Be cool, and just imagine it's a guitar body! I encourage anyone who has an eye for the user interface design to please contact me if you'd like to contribute to Finga.Studio. Locate the accessories panel on the guitar body. Find the pattern selector in the accessories panel. Click the pattern selector drop-down to select your desired lesson pattern by title. Click play lesson. Look at the fretboard to see the tones flashing on the fretboard as you hear them play. Depending on what type of device you're using to interact with Finga.Studio, the elements on screen might adjust placement to fit your screen best. That is, what you see on your device might not look exactly like what you see in this video, but everything will be there, I promise. When you click play lesson, you'll see the exact pattern of the lesson played for you on the fretboard in real time. Pay attention to the fret numbers so you know exactly where to put your fingers when you practice. It plays the exact pattern once each time. While you're here, have a look at one other way to have Finga.Studio teach you different scales. Locate the panel on the guitar body named Picks and click Pick to play the scale. Clicking Pick always plays whatever you currently have set in the drop-down menus, while clicking the Play Lesson button changes the selectors for you, so the fretboard is set correctly for that lesson. To change the degree and use the Pick button to play a scale, locate the panel named Pickup Selector because you'll need to change a drop-down. When you clicked Play Lesson earlier, Finga.Studio should already have changed Pickup Selector type to pentatonic, and set tonic to C. Leave type and tonic as they are, at pentatonic and C. You will only change the degree drop-down to something different than degree 6 from the lesson. Changing the degree will teach you how to play the same scale in different positions on the neck. Think of how the degrees on a thermometer tell the position of the mercury inside, according to changes in temperature. Think of the degree selector as a thermostat. How hot or cold are you today? That's the purpose of the degree drop-down, actually. When the type drop-down is set to pentatonic, play around with those settings and try practicing a different scale position on your own. Seriously, you can't break anything. If you feel stuck, just reload the page to reset the settings. Note the reset button in the panel named Whammy. Neat! More patterns to come, so keep an eye on Finga.Studio, the website, and check the selector for new patterns. Go to talk.finga.studio and post your ideas in the forum. Please use the comments feedback option at the top of Finga.Studio to express your ideas about what you want to see come to life in Finga.Studio. That's a new addition since last time. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel, as apparently that's important to the YouTube algorithm or some such forced participation bandwagon nonsense. I'd say don't do it, but sadly it doesn't work that way, so please do click the subscribe and the like. Thank you so much, and keep watching for the next Finga tutorial.